What is up, you guys? Good morning, welcome to another vlog. Today is gonna be another epic day because we are at another cars and coffee meet. So without further ado, let me give you some montage of all the cars that are here. Enjoy! Man, this car in front of me is something that I truly wanted to own in the future. Enjoy this one. This is the Lamborghini Gallardo. By the way, this is Joe's Evo, and I'm just gonna give you a little bit of montage of this one, but we'll actually film this properly. That's Joe right there. We'll film this properly on the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Man, there are a lot of really good cars here. There might be a Lambo, there might be a Viper, but this project car is something else. Let me give you some montage of this one. Enjoy. Man, if there's one car that all you hear when people are around it is wow, this would be it. Like, it's crazy. This build is absolutely nuts. All the flares are actually 3D printed, custom wheels, and yeah, like even the cage and everything from the inside is custom made. It's crazy. Wow. So there you go, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this clip as much as I did filming it, and everyone's kind of leaving now. But please do hit the subscribe button if you are not yet, and hit the notification bell as well so you'll be updated on all the uploads that I'm doing in this channel. And on that note, please stay safe, take care, and make the most out of your day. Peace!